Hi, this is Saksham and you must have seen me into a lot of roles as a co-founder of Learn Code Online, sometimes delivering a talk on entrepreneurship as a co-founder. Sometimes you must have seen me on calls selling a lot of courses, or sometimes you must have seen me on stage rolling out with something that I'm best at, that is information security. And now I'm going to get more focused on information security as a creator, because in past few years I was really discontinued from almost everywhere due to the offline operations that I was handling for Learn Code Online. But as you might be seeing into the stories and a lot of platforms, that I recently got shifted to Bengaluru and I joined iNeuron as lead cybersecurity researcher, which is something that I am more enthusiastic about. Also, I've seen a lot of students complaining me about me getting discontinued on my YouTube channel. Sometimes I come up regularly for like 4 or 5 days and then I get discontinued from the YouTube channel. But now I have got that peace in my life and I'm literally more focused about creating the wonderful content for our community. And also I will be doing the hand-holding for all the students that are enthusiastic about cybersecurity, programming, and a lot of things related to getting a job, getting an internship, and a lot of stuff related like that. So you'll be able to ask me all the questions related to your career and what you want to do in your life. I'll try to guide you with my best knowledge and the skill that I've got with the 5+ years of experience in this industry. So in this video, I would like to announce that today as well, Sunday at 4 p.m. and just not today, I'll be coming live every Sunday at 4 p.m. so that you can enjoy your lazy time with me on every Sunday. And you can ask me anything related to your career, related to getting jobs, related to other perspective, what could be good for your future and what you need to learn next in order to excel in your career. Because at times I have seen that I'm not able to reply even on my Instagram or maybe onto the YouTube comments, because sometimes you ask the questions that needs at least a minute or two in order to make you understand that what is good for you and what is the actual answer of that question. And that is only possible onto the YouTube live, so that I can come live and make you understand about the things that needs to be cleared up into your mind about your doubts and the different perspective. So which is why we have started this YouTube live. So press the bell icon and never miss a live from me on every Sunday at 4 p.m. Get ready for your questions. I'm going to come live today and every Sunday at 4 p.m. So that was a quick announcement over this video, and in upcoming days you'll be seeing a lot more interesting stuff on this channel. So I'll see you again today at Sunday exactly at 4 p.m. See you then.